Consider a major global automotive component manufacturer whose expensive fluids created even higher costs in nearly every area of their plant, significantly impacting their productivity and profits. The competitors' products didn't provide sufficient lubricity, causing excess tool wear and machinery maintenance. Plus, workers would constantly see a high amount of residue or stain and throw the part in the scrap bin. With an end-to-end approach, FUCHS delivered a water-miscible machining fluid that maximized productivity by increasing tool life over 20% and nearly eliminated parts scrapped due to staining. FUCHS didn't just maximize the positive outcomes for the manufacturer, we also minimized many of their problems and decreased their overall fluid-related costs. With our focus on lubricants, technology, and people, FUCHS delivers technology that pays back. We did it for them. We can pay back for you. We know your industry and we know your need for cost performance. See how you and FUCHS can focus on maximizing your profits together.